Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to share with you how to add the 20 EMA on TradingView. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, open TradingView, then go to indicators here at the top. Click on it, type EMA and choose this one, Moving Average Exponential. EMA stands for Moving Average Exponential. So remember that. Click on it. And now this is our EMA, but this is not a 20 EMA. So click on it. We have here EMA 9. Click on the gear icon, go to input and change 9 to 20. Click on OK. And now this is the 20 EMA. If you don't like this color, go to settings again, click on style, click on blue, and you can change it to any color you want. So let's choose, for example, this color. Okay, we have here the thickness of the EMA. Okay, so click on this one, for example. Now just click on OK. And as you can see here, this is our 20 EMA. And that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.